Hello Leute, as you can see the sun here, it's called die Sonne. As you can see lots of trees here, it's called der Baum, and as you can see a stem there, it's called der Baumstamm, and the plural word is die Baumstämme. And as you can see lots of sand here around me, it's called der Sand. Like this you can use different types of words. Try to play with these words on regular basis. It would be really helpful for you. Till then, bye, cheers, auf Wiederhören.